Hey there, fellow Halloween aficionados! It's that time of year again, and you know what that means. Spooktacular decorations and ghoulishly good deals. In today's video, we're bringing you the top 5 Halloween products under $20 that you can find on Amazon in 2023. We've combed through the offerings to ensure that not only are these items budget-friendly, but they also deliver on reliability, durability, and spooky appeal. So let's dive right into our chilling countdown. Product 1. Halloween Spiderwebs Decoration. First up, we have Halloween Spiderwebs Decorations with 150 extra fake spiders. These super stretchy cobwebs are ideal for creating eerie indoor and outdoor Halloween decor. What sets this kit apart is the inclusion of 150 extra fake spiders, which adds an extra layer of creepy realism. Users adore the ease of stretching these webs across various surfaces, and they've earned high marks for durability. They're a game changer for authenticity. The great thing is they've held up well in various weather conditions. And with a price tag of under $20, this product won't break the bank while adding a spooky atmosphere to your Halloween festivities. Product 2. GenSwin Halloween Flameless Votive Candles. For those looking to set the perfect mood without the worry of real candles, consider the GenSwin Halloween Flameless Votive Candles. These battery-operated LED tea light candles come with a remote timer and color-changing feature, making them a fantastic addition to your Halloween home decor. Users praise their longevity, making them a cost-effective choice that can be used for multiple Halloweens. With reliability and durability backed by positive user feedback, these candles come in at under $20, making them a brilliant choice for those seeking an eerie ambiance without the fire hazard. There is an 18-key remote on-off timer in each Halloween candle box, allowing you to easily control all candles. Users have reported long-lasting performance, making these candles a wise investment for multiple Halloween seasons. The reliability and durability of these candles are backed by glowing reviews. Priced under $20, they are a cost-effective way to add an enchanting glow to your Halloween celebrations. Product 3. Funko Spirit Halloween Dani with Binx Hocus Pocus Pop figure. Calling all Hocus Pocus fans, our next item is the Funko Spirit Halloween Dani with Binx Pop figure. This collectible figure captures the essence of this beloved Halloween classic. It's a must-have for fans of the Sanderson sisters. The figure is well-crafted and sure to delight both kids and adults alike. This collectible figure pays homage to the iconic characters from the movie. Crafted with attention to detail, it captures the essence of Dani and Binx perfectly. Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, this figure is sure to delight. Priced under $20, it's an affordable way to infuse your Halloween decor with a dash of nostalgia. Product 4. The Zenovika Face Painting Kit for kids. Let's shift our focus to the little ghouls and goblins with the Zenovika Face Painting Kit for kids. This non-toxic and hypoallergenic face paint kit comes with 24 vibrant colors, stencils, a guidebook, and professional-grade makeup tools. Safety is paramount, and parents can rest easy knowing their kids are using a product that won't irritate their skin. The included stencils and guidebook make it a breeze to create spooky designs, making it perfect for Halloween. Priced under $20, it's a fantastic value for parents seeking a safe and easy-to-use face paint kit for their little ones. Product 5. The Mr. Predicto Fortune Telling Ball. Last but not least, we have the Mr. Predicto Fortune Telling Ball, a whimsical and mysterious addition to your Halloween celebrations. This intriguing Halloween accessory is perfect for teens and adults alike. Just ask it a question, and it speaks an answer, providing endless fun and laughter. It's a unique twist for Halloween games and parties, adding an air of intrigue and mystery. Priced under $20, it's an affordable way to add some fortune-telling fun to your Halloween party. These budget-friendly items not only offer affordability, but also reliability, durability, and a healthy dose of Halloween spirit. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to snag these fantastic deals on Amazon. And don't forget to watch our video for the top 5 Halloween products under $10 for 2023. Happy haunting!